2. Unit 9 Test. Listening. 1. Mark.
The road was snowy, so I was driving slowly. But other people were driving fast. The guy behind me didn't stop in time and hit the back of my car. My neck was painful after the accident. Luckily, I wasn't going fast, so I didn't hit my head.
2. Teresa.
It was really sunny on our ski trip. The snow was perfect, too, so we all got ready and went up the mountain. I haven't skied much before, but I have really strong arms and legs, so I thought I'd do okay. However, I didn't see the rock until my knee hit it. I couldn't ski after that, but I'm okay now.
3. Lance.
My family and I were making a surprise dinner for my mom because it was her birthday on Sunday. What a stupid thing to do. I opened the oven to take out the cake and didn't use an oven mitt. So, guess what happened? The pan was very hot and I burned my hand. I dropped it and it hit my foot. Luckily, I had boots on.
4. Cindy. I was playing soccer, and it was a really difficult game. I got the ball, and I kicked it as hard as I could into the net. I scored the winning goal. But I knew my foot wasn't okay. It really hurt. I thought I broke it. But then I went to the doctor, and I actually sprained my ankle. I was surprised because my ankle didn't hurt at all.